What made me decide to participate in the romance tour is because there's a lot of women coming here, and they're coming here and they're motivated, meeting quite a bit of men who they're looking for a serious relationship, and they're very attractive. Many of them are here, and I was very accessible to see them. I had no reservations. I just know that usually, and this is not the first time I've had a social, you know, when the advertise they're going to come here, the girls come and they're going to be here. So when I know that there's a social, I'm going to be there. I know the girl's going to be there. So there was nothing I had reservations on. It's always been successful because I meet many women as I can, and that's what you should do if you decide to come on a tour here, is meet as many women you can, because it's an important decision to be married. And I'm looking for the right one, so that's why sometimes I need to meet many people as I can and make that important choice. Staff is very user-friendly. Anytime I need an interpreter or I need a need taken care of me, whether it has to do with a very attractive woman here or a non-related thing. Very make me feel home in the city when I'm here, and I like the presence that they show here.
I wanted the security of having someone do all of the groundwork for me and not having to make my own reservations. How did I enjoy the tour? Very much. I thought it was very well planned and very well executed. I'm very happy with my success. We have developed a very good friendship, and we may be getting engaged. It's a very great city to visit, and to have the opportunity to meet a very special person makes it that much better.
I think foreign women have a greater interest in family and raising children, and that's one of the things I'm looking for in a potential wife, and that's why I'm interested in foreign women. I think the group tour has a component that is difficult to replicate on your own, because there's a certain safety and a certain organization to it that makes your experience better, I think. I think the socials were very well run. You got a cross-section of girls to meet. The staff did a very good job helping you meet these girls. And it gives you a chance to make dates and have dinner companions. It's a very good job.
Check out our website at... If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Then click on the notice bell to get notified every time we add something new.